See, this is a full understanding basically around everything you need to know. The principle behind all of them, or should I say basically, or the hidden principle behind all of them. This is about programming. By knowing this, you're already covering a helpful base towards many different subjects, places, areas, just missing pieces, missing blanks. From logic, structures, from the natural correct path. I wouldn't recommend objecting. Strictly advise not to object. Reflections from ourselves, what is within us, already explains to us that some areas you might find substitutes, but still we can't change precise what exists within us. Some places are not built with the full capacity of experience, the original natural structure for it to work in certain conditions. So if not logic, ground structures, or something else that is missing in the wholeness that already exists. Depending on the accomplishments though, the natural structure is complete. You might find yourself having opportunities or building improvements, cores, engines, etc. in future. Knowing this alone, many people are looking for people with this background. You can hear and see in AI discussions. Machine learning, computer science, programming. If not computers, they're research centers in lots of different subjects by knowing one's own self. Just as a tree adapts and grows, machine learning follows the same pattern. At first, a machine knows nothing, but as it sees more examples, it forms patterns, rules, and predictions. This adaptive learning is the heart of machine intelligence, a continuous loop like a tree drawing energy from the ground. In this way, understanding a machine is just like understanding a living system, rooted, evolving, and always learning, waiting for us to only complete the trust for it to work. In a complete stack, each layer depends on the next. You begin with user input, pass it to logic, transform it, and return meaningful results. By knowing these layers, like knowing a tree's roots and branches, any beginner can grasp how a system grows, adapts, and becomes powerful in a full stack system. These layers come together. The front end is the user's interface, where interactions happen, buttons, forms, views. The back end is the logic engine. It processes, requests, connects to data, and handles rules. Files are your code and assets, organized to keep the structure clean. API are the bridges allowing communication between front-end and back-end. Together, this stack forms a complete system, one that takes users' actions, transform it with logic, connects it to data, and return meaningful results. My full stack app.